Karen and them come from Stacy. Sir!
Even thing is when him come up the man and me just see him laying up on the bed. Sky, come here. Crew members of Bartender, we decided that okay, we're going to see how much people know about the bartender.
What come on there?
Him always late. We're going to see how much people know the cast members of the bartender. She are there. What's your name? We're 5 there. And the whole team shopping. So we decided to, alright, we're going to take a trip downtown.
But someone should have know the whole of them places.
No, I know Euro Circle, but from the front.
From the
other
front?
side, round the other side. One card. Hey!
How much son out there?
It's more than one son the way out here at. It's more than one. Emma? Ready? Okay.
Well, we just walk around downtown and see who recognize you.
You know, one small.
And if they watch the bartender, we'll just give them a quick interview, ask them what they think about it.
You watch it?
Yeah, I watch it. The bartender, yeah? It's a good look.
Meet and greet a little bit and then we move on.
Hey, uncle. Check out this. You tell me it's still enough. I know I'm stay with the pink already, you know.
One go man, but what you say?
No, but you go this and go buy something so I'm going to me.
Today one day, we'll come for the business. This is just
That's why when you establish and
when I buy things for you, when I buy things for you, bad man, you know that. You see me?
Stop calling me bad man, I don't like it.
Sorry.
Yes, me call you.
Sorry, baby.
Oh God, good enough It was really my idea because every time I come town, them always a shout out, Goody, we're 5 there, we're bubbles there. So I'm saying, you know what? We're going to make the first stop be downtown.
I'm a place to make Jamaica feel like it's still a key.
Daddy, you don't recognize me. You don't recognize me. For me, today is just a day for just smile, enjoy yourself.
But I know it's right though.
Police really are not stop me in a mask. He's a mask, man. Not everybody in a mask. Look, so them gonna say me a criminal because me in a mask. People want to cover them mouth and them nose. Me want to cover my whole face.
Walking through downtown Kingston just feels amazing, man. Mentally, this do a whole heap for me personally, you know. So this is good, like therapy, you know.
So why never just make it up and sell the same way? So we make it up ourselves. Alright, so we just do a little on the road with the bartender, like the people who watch a bartender, we ask them questions and things about it.
For me, meet and greet is really, I think it's very good because you get to interact in person.
Trust me, I love it. We just love it.
And the appreciation always warm my heart for know say, yeah, them love the show that much and them enjoy bartender.
Yeah, that's a dog bed and you have to say. Everybody's dog in town.
You alone back.
Yeah, me alone in the back, you know.
Hot and spicy red spicy. Barbecue red spicy.
Hot and spicy? Barbecue? Which one of them? All of them? I'm going to taste and buy. Taste and buy red spicy. When I go on Sunday, what is that? Too sharp, I don't know what that's Sunday. To kiss my teeth, but I like it. What
Last week at 24 Sunday. This week at 26
man, then too little man. I'm sitting down well comfortable, you know. 2 food meat, you know. One in a day, and 1 for one time. But
bartender one. 6 some day eat my food and I say yes, now I'm going to eat food, now I want my belly for big.
Them cuss off Harvey, look at them say them want the episode them longer.
Bring it to 1 hour.
At 24 minutes. 1 hour.
They'll start with 30 minutes. Oh God, man.
Yeah man, do work man. You can't do work man.
People are whole heap of work, you know. A whole heap of work. And remember, say, he's using a phone. You understand? So I whole heap of work, so you have to bear with me.
1 hour. Please, we're asking for 1 hour.
I want it 1 hour or 2. I love everything. I love the excitement. I love the gossip. And I love everything. I love the gossip about it. I know shopping at take it on. I don't take it on either. I love it now. Every Sunday I watch it.
I'm in love with the show. It body, turn up.
Never know that so much people really know about the bartender. We never know so much people know about the show itself.
Yeah, I always watch them. Them is nice. Love watching. Them daughter, them never watch them.
Episode 1 to 3. Yeah. I watch it.
Once we walk out, I mean, everybody was like, you know, Shoppy, 5, and you know, everybody else.
Pick up apple for here. Let's go.
You see this, all of this is another breath of fresh air for me. You know what I say? Because on the way from school, yeah man, we will stop here so and buy away the fish. You know what I say? I have dreams and aspirations of owning a tank. You know what I say? From right there so. Yeah man, so I know what this I do for me. Yeah man. Yeah brother, manners and respect. Yeah man, code is life, you know?
And I think they just needed somewhere, a point place downtown that would represent the culture, just represent everything that represents Jamaica culturally. Most places when you go right around the world now, they say places, there's a point place in the city that speaks to the culture of the place, and I think this is the perfect place to do that, you know.
The whole entire thing started in 2018. So basically, we linked up with Kingston Creative and then we as the artists combined. But this was actually started from 2014 over by Fleet Street, where we as the Pain Jamaica team with Mariana Farag, Life Yard, that's where it all started, you see?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So it's a group of artists.
Definitely.
Different artists.
Yeah man, so right now we have Art Evolution, we have Kingston Creative, and still we think we have Sheldon Shepherd, not Sheldon, and we have some other different type of artists, but for me personally, Art Evolution is the lead group right now.
Okay.
But we've done over 200 murals all over Jamaica. Right. The concept here now is really more a musical theme. On this street is mostly music. Over that side it's representing music just the same way, but you have other places like Port Royal or represent like the culture.
Okay.
So we did like a major project. We have stuff that we're going to do at Sabina, where that is going to represent the cricket culture. So based on different eras, based on the different cultures.
All of this is the initiative of Kingston Creative?
No, it's the initiative of the government. Yeah, so the government launched off a project called Pretty of Jamaica.
Yeah.
So basically that's run by Bobsy Green Ministry. He's spearheaded by Tafari Burns and also the mayor. The mayor is responsible for Downtown Kingston. Tafari Burns is responsible for the rest of the island. So we have places like Portland where we did about 78 murals at Bayview Eco Resort and Spa. Yeah, them can check that out. We have murals in Montego Bay, murals in Ocherius, here in Kingston. Yeah.
This is one of the best things them could ever do for Downtown Kingston. Here saw what them do at the waterfront, you know, just the beautification of the waterfront and all of these things. And since this place has been up, it's like enough video, enough picture take down here. So there's no way the bartender could have done downtown.
So definitely you can follow us at Art Evolution Mural Group on Instagram. Definitely check us out, yeah?
What Kingston Creative does is we send out an open call, let them know what we're doing, and based on what we're doing, we outline the concept that we're looking for. So for example, on Duke Street, we wanted images that would depict the story of Duke Street, but with Waterlane, artists are free to do what they want. Oh. So it depends on where we're putting the murals.
Specific areas that already have a story that you would like to be told
because
on the walls.
We still have to get permission from the persons who own the building to put the murals on the walls. So we still have to go according to what they would appreciate or what they would want. One of our main goals is to basically highlight to the world that we have an epicenter right here when it comes to creatives. So the hub is supposed to be basically the center of it, and then we just spiral off into the rest of Jamaica and the rest of the world.
One of the reasons for being here today is also that we wanted to just look at the space here, because there's a scene in The Bartender that one of the bartender herself tries to get a job at a marketing agency. So we're looking if you have any office space and if you'd be willing to accommodate us one day to shoot.
I would love to talk to Joel about that.
Okay.
Let me show you around.
Yeah, man.
Our photography studio. So basically you rent the room based on what you want to do in the room.
Okay.
So if you don't want the tables and chairs, we remove the tables and chairs.
Okay.
If you want it as a studio, we have things in the studio that you can use to help with.
We have an episode coming up in The Bartender where Browning goes to get a job at Bin Apple. What happens from there? You have to watch for say. So what we're trying to do is find a space that would speak to Bin Apple. So we want a nice, comfortable space because the boss is a sophisticated lady. So we'll find a space that suits her. So we're here at Kingston Creative, where it is going to be shot, and we already see some space where I really like. It's just about decor now and getting it to look the way we want it to look in the series car. The series now, we don't restrict ourselves to know like one area, but they're right across the board. Now I see some sophisticated looking place. We already I see some places in Kingston that represents inner city. So we're going right across the road, so I don't know the thing is Bartender.
Yeah, I'm sophisticated. I'm in sophisticated seat.
No, so you give up the bar stool?
Yeah, I give it a bar stool for the office stool. That's right. Upgrade is key, right? Yes, I love to.
We are Kingston Creative.
Today was good. Today was awesome.
The places that we have been, the love was great.
It's a good vibe to connect, you know?
We get calls all over. New people introduced and new people love it. Just look out for The Bartender. Remember, Expressions JA on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, follow. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, uncle, family, friend, steps brother. Right there, so.
The Bartender! So I have a new song for drop. As I know, say everybody they love the dog bed. But I want you to name Bartender. So I give you a small, you know, little chops. Alright then. A DB though. People want to see me though. Someone ask if me I'm going to get back, but I mess up so she leave me though. I know she pre me, you know. Still want to see me, you know. Cause when you have a woman like this dog, you know make she leave you, you know. Bartender. Hey bartender. Hey bartender. Alright then bartender. Shopping and 5. Everything Chris dog, everything nice. Love each other like chicken and fries, but no shopping head that the nice. Things start change now. Things start rearrange now. 5 no start smell all the wrong thing. I know just start move straight on. Bartender. What I want to name bartender. They want to name bartender. What we talk about bartender. Now get no more, go watch The Bartender.